Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we're on the Lancia wiring harness, and we're getting ready to install the new one. Morning, Boinsy.
Morning. How you doing?
Good, good. So we've got that one boxed up, kind of ready. And the issue was we didn't know where the tail lights and everything hooked up in. So here's our tail light harness. All right, so not a problem. Great, cool, good. So let's follow that bright yellow wire, right? Up, over. It's only laying there for the moment, so it's out of our hair. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. A switch for turn signals. Left, right, center is dead. Okay, different, but there's no turn signals on this car. Okay, so we're learning something new every day. Gonna get this wired up, placed out, and get that in. This one's gonna be different because there's the pile of mess, ready, that was pulled out. Absolute nightmare. Because unfortunately, the owner of this car got sick and it stayed parked for a while and it had an electrical fire. So that's why it's being fixed. Now that we're able to get it taken care of, wonderful customer, amazing guy. But we've got our work cut out for us. There was a lot of, from what I can tell, jerry-rigged wiring from previous people. I don't know who. I'm not blaming any one person, or jerry-rigged in my opinion is what I should say. So, but yeah, we'll trace everything out. We've got what appears to be, we're checking everything out today. Good tail harness. So I'll tap into that, take it off the switch, or leave it on the switch, I don't know, and run brake line. I don't know yet. This is a little bit out of what I normally do. So it might take me an extra day or two to get it taken care of, but we'll get it right and we'll make it pretty. I mean, we've got more than enough people here to help because Burnsy's back there working on the absolutely beautiful park lane. Get that taken care of. And just a quickie. Isn't she pretty? Yeah. Okay, back to work. All right, here we go, guys. Catch you on the next one.